Two key issues in court today during a hearing for Tyler Robinson, the man accused of shooting and killing Charlie Kirk. Those being the media's role in the case and also if hearsay will be allowed as evidence during the preliminary trial. Now, both sides are preparing for that preliminary trial that's coming up less than a month away. Liv Kelleher was in the Provo courtroom today.
Well, two key things were discussed today. One, a move from the defense to hold the state in contempt of court after they spoke to the media about this case. And two, a request from the defense to not allow hearsay be admitted into evidence in the upcoming preliminary hearing. The defense argues the state plans to use information provided by a witness who they will not put on the stand. They say this would constitute hearsay and deny the defense the ability to cross-examine.
The central witness who's going to be presented against Mr. Robinson is a witness who the prosecution and the federal government have given promises of immunity to. And in lieu of putting that witness on the stand and subjecting him to cross-examination, they met with this witness outside the presence of the defense, asked a series of leading questions that the witness was asked to agree to, videotaped it, and the state proposes to introduce that into evidence.
According to the state, the purpose of a preliminary hearing is to establish probable cause that a crime has been committed and the suspect could have reasonably done it. They say the burden for demonstrating this is very low and that different standards apply to the preliminary trial versus the full trial to come.
If this court granted the defendant's motion, it would be going where no other court has gone before. This court would be the first court to find that the Sixth Amendment right to confrontation applies at a preliminary hearing.
The defense responded that they believe there is precedent for capital punishment. The other main issue, will the state be held in contempt of court for making comments to the media about the ATF's ballistics report? And lastly, cameras in the courtroom. The judge listened to Robinson's team's arguments about this, but declined to make any changes. Reporting in Provo, Liv Kelleher, KUTV 2 News.